My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. As you can tell by the title, today's video is my third and final mintMONGOOSE unboxing. Obviously, I already opened up the package to see what it looks like, but I wanted to open it and unbox it for y'all like I have done in my previous two videos, which will be linked down below. I'm not going to give too much information on the brand or anything, like go into depth like I did in the first two, but like I just said, both of them will be linked down below. The first two links you see. mintMONGOOSE. mintMONGOOSE is a monthly jewelry subscription service. I believe it's 3 pieces of jewelry for $15 a month, which is not bad at all. A full set of jewelry for $15. You can get a pair of earrings at Target for $10. You get 3 pieces of jewelry with mintMONGOOSE for $15 a month, so that's a good deal if you ask me. My discount code is down below. I believe it is, I think it's smile 50. I think it's smile 50. It'll be on the screen and down below just to be sure. But yeah, I have a discount code for your first month. I think you get 50% off your first month and free shipping, so that's, you know, good and fun, you know, if you wanted to check them out. Each piece you get is inspired by real life. The owner, Helena, I'm gonna say Helena this time, she takes inspiration from her 3 children and her monthly like jewelry sets, and you never get the same one twice. Each month is unique for that month and it's inspired by something. Like the first month was inspired by a cheetah, the second month was inspired by like a bird. I forgot what type of bird it was, but I gave you background information on that in those videos. If again you want to check them out, link down below. And my favorite thing about mintMONGOOSE is the adjustable chain links on the necklaces. A lot of necklaces are not inclusive like that. Like I ain't got no little small neck, y'all. Got a thick neck, and a lot of necklaces I'll have to get like a necklace extender for it. Not with these have like 4 or 5 different chain lengths, like holes that you can choose from. So if you want it to be a tighter necklace, it can. If you want it to hang lower, it can. It just gives you a variety, a lot of flexibility. But again, more info on all of that is in my first mintMONGOOSE unboxing video actually, and I give you more in the second one. But let's get into this unboxing. So this is how it came. I haven't even really, I looked in it once, but I haven't like looked. But this is the card for the month. This is how it looks. I'm going to open up the jewelry and then I'm going to read this to you like I do in every video. So this is the seal. Open this up. So this came with 3 pieces of jewelry and they all came in this little mint paper wrapped up nice and safe. Just like the last time, only one of them have a little card on it. It also came with, you know, just a yay is here card telling you, you know, that you can share it, tag them on social media, yada yada yada. So this is the jewelry and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, starting with the biggest one. So this is the necklace right here. Oh, that is so pretty. With mintMONGOOSE, the hardware, you have 3 options. You can do silver, rose gold, or gold, and as you can see, this is the gold. And with this particular month, I do think that this part right here will either be silver, rose gold, or gold. I think this is the mountain that we saw on the card, but I'm gonna read it later. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. This is what I meant by the adjustable chain links. Yeah, it's 5 of them. One right here, right here, right here, right here, and right there. I don't know which one I'm going to put it on. Okay, y'all, so this is the necklace on the skin. I actually put it on the tightest one because this month I was only sent 1 necklace. Now, another thing I wanted to mention about mintMONGOOSE, when you choose your color hardware, from my experience, it's always been a plain necklace in the set that doesn't have like a color. So my previous 2 videos, the first one had a cheetah necklace, like cheetah print or leopard print, and then the second one had like a mint shade in it as well. But with both sets, it was just a plain gold piece as well with it. So with those plain gold pieces, I could actually pair those with this if I wanted a whole gold look, or however, you can always just mix and match your monthly pieces, you know, as you continue to collect them. This would look really good, especially with like the shapes of everything. It would look really good paired with the necklaces from my previous months. Like I just said, I just put it on the tightest one because the way my shirt is, I just want the necklace sitting right there. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the earrings. These are the earrings. As you can see, it's just the miniature version of the necklace, which I love. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I already have these little pearl earrings on. Let me put it in. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Something I do want to say, sometimes the necklace, as you can see, it's like, I don't know if they're handmade. I think they are, but you can actually pull this little bulb part out and twist the earring around. If it naturally sits backwards, you can just twist it back around and then just pinch it back closed. I think I actually did that with one of these. Okay, that's the earrings on, looking just like the necklace. The third piece is different than my first two sets. So instead of second necklace, I actually got a bracelet. This is the necklace, and to put it on, you can just do that and then stretch it. Oh, those are the details. This may be to signify like the sunset in the picture I showed you. But yeah, and then this piece right here. Okay, you guys, so I have the bracelet on, and that's how it looks. Then it has two gold pieces that you pull and adjust to loosen it and tighten it. But this is the jewelry. Kind of be quiet and zoom in. Okay, so again, this is the card, so keep this in mind. So this month's set is inspired by the ups and downs of life and the beauty that they resemble. Okay, so I'm going to start reading now. If you had asked me where I would be today 10 years ago, I don't know that my guess would have been anything close to accurate. But that's how life goes, right? Rarely according to plan, and always with twists and turns you didn't see coming. One thing that is guaranteed, though, is that life demands adaptation. We have been going through the home selling process recently, and it has been such a unique experience, full of redirections and ever-changing components. It gives me flashbacks to when I bought this home, my first, 10 years ago, but it's also its entirely own chapter. I created this set to pay tribute to the ability of rolling with the punches and the beauty in life's chapters. As humans, we don't have a choice but to navigate what lies ahead. But we do have a choice in how we navigate it. Being able to keep your chin up whether you are going up and up or down, and knowing when it's time to change the plan is such a powerful skill set. The mountains in this set are meant to resemble all that life throws at you, while the bordering lines at the base of the pendant are meant to resemble your strength in holding it together through the journey. When you wear this jewelry set, I hope it reminds you to treasure this journey and reminds you that you have what it takes to make it where you want to go. Love, Helena, the mama behind mintMONGOOSE. All right, that's super cute. So the mountains right here is to represent what all life throw at you, and then this border is our strength and how we hold it together through the process of the mountains being thrown at us. But that is super cute. That is really cute, and I like the unique shape. Like it's just a really cute and unique shape. But that is it for this video. That is it for my mintMONGOOSE jewelry journey with y'all. You will continuously see me wearing the mintMONGOOSE in my videos throughout time. You know, I may not wear it in every single video, but I'm pretty sure I'll wear at least one piece to be completely honest with you. I really did like this set. I like what it represents. This month set represents. Remember that I have mintMONGOOSE website linked down below. They have multiple options that you can choose from in regards to personalizing your monthly jewelry set. It doesn't have to be like mine. Yours can have more, it can have less, you know, it's really up to you. My discount code is linked down below, and my previous 2 videos is linked down below. I really do hope you enjoyed this. I hope I have inspired you to check out mintMONGOOSE, this woman / mother owned business jewelry that's inspired by real life. Be sure to check them out. Be sure to check me out and them on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked down below. Their Instagram is linked down below. And yeah, again, that's it for this video. So please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.